In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply get started with the Mojo programming language. So it is the programming language which was created by the same creator who created the Swift programming language, so which is quite popular in the iOS app and Mac apps development field. So let me just quickly jump into the browser and search for Mojo. So just go into this first link from modular.com. So this is the official website of this Mojo. So to download, so you just click on this download now, and you just need to sign in with the Google account. So let me just quickly sign in with my Google account here. So once you do that, so you can see the available option. So it's only for now available for Linux. So we can also set up in Mac using the Github repo. So for that, just go into the new tab and search for Mojo Github, and we just need to go into this modular ml/mojo. So I will put the link into the description. So we just need to create the fork of this project. So let me just click on this fork, and so let me just click on this create fork. So this will name this as Mojo. So once you do that, so we just need to install some of the extensions. So the Mojo extension and the GitHub Codespace extension in our VS Code. So let me just open the VS Code here and go into the extension here and search for Mojo. So we just need to install the Mojo, and similarly, so we just need to install the GitHub Codespace as well. So let me just search for GitHub Codespace here. So we just need to install this extension as well. So just click on install. So once you install these extensions, so let me again go to the official website here. So you can see, so we just have to press Command Shift and P, and we just need to select the Codespace and create new Codespace. So let me again go to the VS Code and just press Command Shift and P and just type create new Codespace. So this will load all the repositories. So since I have already signed in with my GitHub account, so if you haven't signed in, so you can just sign in. So this will show the all repos available. So I have since created the Mojo, so you can just simply search like this, give the username of your GitHub account and just type Mojo and just press enter. So this will now fetch inside our system. So you can just choose this 16 GB. So once you do that, so this will add this project into our VS Code. So once this is done, so we just again need to go to the website here, so the official website, and let me just copy this command, and let me again go to the terminal of this VS Code, and let me just paste that command. So let me just click enter. So this should now install the Mojo into our terminal as well. So once this is done, so we just need to type modular install Mojo. So let me just click here to copy this into the clipboard, and so this will now install the Mojo SDK. So let me just paste it inside here, so and just click enter. So this should now install the Mojo SDK into our system.
One eternity later.
So once this is done, so you can see, so if you're using the ZSS, so you just need to add these two lines. So since I'm using ZSS, but if you're using the bash, so you just need to copy these two lines. So since I'm using ZSS, so let me just copy these two lines here, and let me just paste inside here, and let me just click enter. So this will now reload this ZSS RC. So let me just click on the plus sign here and click on ZSS RC. So we just need to type Mojo and just click enter. So you can see, so this is saying welcome to Mojo. So let me just press Ctrl Z. So since we can see that the Mojo has been successfully installed, so let me just go into the examples. So here you can see the examples here. So let me just go into the examples, and let me just run this hello program here. So you can see, so now to simply run this program, you can just type Mojo and just type hello dot, and you can just press and tab. So this will automatically detect this one, and if you just click enter, so you can see hello Mojo from this program here. So now if you want to create new Mojo file, so you can just simply click on this new file, and you can just type something like demo.mojo. So inside here, so let me just create a function. Let me just call it main. So you can simply copy this code here. So let me just copy this code from here, and let me just paste inside here. So let me just call it something like hello world. And if I just save this program, and let me just clear this terminal first, and you can just simply now type Mojo demo.mojo and just click enter. So you can see the output here. So this is how you can run a simple Mojo program into your VS Code. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.